are you guys excited? Because we're going to be designing a manicure that is inspired by I Am Kayla that she created for NYX Cosmetics. The first thing we will need to create this look is our Nami Hawaii collaboration, and we're going to be using this design today. And then you're going to need your polish colors. So first you're going to start with your base coat and then a concealing base. Now you're going to take your Expedition Pearl, and then you're just going to apply one very generous coat. And do you see this like gorgeous blue shine? That's from using Expedition Pearl. Let's get into the reverse stamping portion. And I'm gonna start randomly coloring in some of these stars and the butterfly's body. Voila! This technique can be used on like so many things, because you'd be so surprised how it can take like a plain boring color and make it like completely different and new.